Hello dear, welcome back once again to Crypto Report, your daily blog for cryptocurrency news, rumors, and update about cryptocurrency. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep you updated on the cryptocurrency market. Let's get into today's video. Things keep on happening in the crypto sector. Not long ago, Dogecoin was at the top of the cryptocurrency market. Now, it's almost an old news, and baby Dogecoin is creating a lot of noise. Today we'll talk about why you should have baby Dogecoins in your wallet. They are now inexpensive to buy, but when they skyrocket, you'll all be billionaires by then to buy, but there's a lot you need to know about it beforehand. The number one baby Dogecoin is only a few weeks old due to the name. This crypto is still a baby right now. It was created on June 1, 2021. The earliest price on record was on June 9 when it cost 0.000000175. That quickly showed up thanks to social media and influencer marketing, but then it came down. Buying such a young cryptocurrency is a risky proposition. The baby Doge currency hasn't had much of a track record, and most cryptocurrencies don't even reach it to number 2. It began with almost 430 quadrillion tokens. The entire quantity of infant Dogecoin was 430 quadrillion tokens, and the team behind it had to manually mine them. With almost 125 quadrillion tokens burnt or destroyed so far, the baby Dogecoin team has complete control over when and how many tokens are burned. With new cryptocurrencies, enormous quantities of coins valued at a fraction of a penny are frequent. Number 3 is an extreme example: baby Dogecoin. Every baby Dogecoin transaction has a 10% charge that the seller pays, and here is where that money goes. 5% is redistributed to everyone who currently owns baby Dogecoin, and the remaining 5% is split 50/50, with half remaining as baby Dogecoin, and the other half being traded for Binance Coin. These coins are used to create a liquidity pool so people can trade them for each other. The 10% fee is an incentive to keep your baby Dogecoin. If you sell it, you will be charged 10%. If you keep it, you will be rewarded with the fee position if someone else sells. This concept was not created by baby Dogecoin. The same sort of charge. Number 4 is part of the mission of SafeMoon, which launched in March. One of the purposes indicated in the white paper of baby Dogecoin is to rescue dogs in need. It also states that the team maintain a charity wallet with 2.2% of the entire supply of baby Dogecoin, since 5% of the transaction fee is redistributed to current holders. The charity wallet gets 2.2% of the donation. Number 5, it's available on PancakeSwap, but not any major crypto exchanges. PancakeSwap is the preferred platform for those interested in obtaining baby Dogecoin. One of the larger decentralized exchanges is PancakeSwap. On June 24. The crypto's Twitter account announced a $75,000 donation to Pause with Cause, a non-profit that uses community painter days to bring more attention to animals in local shelters. Too challenging due to the low trading volume of its meme coin. Baby Dogecoin isn't listed on any of the best cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's been classed as a long shot. A 6-phase roadmap for baby Dogecoin is in place. The first few steps are fairly standard, with objectives such as reaching 25,000 subscribers and completing a website overhaul. Things get a lot more ambitious in the final phase, with the community carving a baby Doge into a mountain with a market cap of $100 billion and the establishment of a baby Doge religion with a market cap of $500 billion. Only a few cryptocurrencies have ever reached a market cap of $100 million. Only Bitcoin has topped $500 billion in market capitalization. So buying them is a risky proposition. Although the tiny Doge currency got off to a good start, it's tough to see it as a long-term investment trend. With no discernible future gold or competitive benefits, coins like this one are a dime a dozen. They rely on marketing to generate buzz and raise the price, and everyone who gets in too late loses except the team behind them and the initial investors. With crypto, anything can happen. There's always the chance that baby Dogecoin will go on a tear and break its all-time high, but people are more concerned with the short term. Coin experts advocate using an exchange to purchase and sell cryptocurrency. Hundreds of platforms are ready to offer you with access to thousands of cryptocurrencies all around the world, and in order to choose the best one for you, you must first choose which characteristics are most essential to you. Baby Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that runs on Binance Marching BSC platform. We will tell you more about the qualities of this digital currency as we inform you about the baby Dogecoin price prediction, as this currency is a smaller counterpart of the well-known Bitcoin. Dogecoin, which gained popularity as a result of Elon Musk's involvement. We will tell you more about the qualities of this digital currency as we inform you about the baby Dogecoin price prediction, as this currency is a smaller counterpart of the well-known Bitcoin. The Baby Dogecoin's creators are. We must know about the founders of this particular Dogecoin when reading about it and looking through all of the material related to the Baby Dogecoin price forecast. There is no inform about the founders of this particular Dogecoin when reading about it. And looking through all of the material related to the Baby Dogecoin price forecast, there is no inform about the founders of this particular Dogecoin when reading about it and looking through all of the material related to the Baby Doge. Not a team-based digital coin, but a community-based digital coin. A few facts regarding the Puppy Dogecoin. The price of a Baby Dogecoin is currently $0.0000127 with a 24-hour trading value. The cryptocurrency has a supply of 0 Baby Dogecoins and a maximum supply of 430 quadrillions, and its prices have increased by % in the previous 24 hours. Baby Dogecoin price predictions are now available. The prediction management expects that the price of the Baby Dogecoin will be approximately 0.005 at the beginning of July 2023, with the lowest value being 0.0005 and the highest value being $0.0009. You may be wondering where you can get Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin may be bought in 2 ways. You may purchase it using Ethereum or Bitcoin, which accept bank account or debit card deposits, and then move the newly obtained crypto to a site where it is traded using either Bitcoin or Ethereum, 2 of the most popular currencies. If one day you own 30 million Baby Dogecoins and the price of cryptocurrencies rises to as high as 50 cents due to the unpredictability of cryptocurrencies, you have a whopping 15 million coins in your wallet and have become filthy rich. Keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only. Is only for educational purposes and does not constitute advice from us. We want to educate you on cryptocurrencies so that you have a broader and more comprehensive understanding of them, even if you're a beginner. Other than that, make sure you do your own research and think twice before putting your money or investing in any type of cryptocurrency. Thank you for viewing this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more crypto update. Hello guys, welcome back again to Crypto Report, your daily blog for crypto news and rumors. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the latest news and update on the cryptocurrency market. Let's get into today's video. Are you still wondering about the worth of Pi Coin? Well, this video provides an overview of what the Pi network aims to achieve and how the Pi Coin price prediction is taking shape. Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep cryptocurrency mining accessible, as the centralization of first-generation currencies like Bitcoin has put them beyond the reach of everyday users. The Pi Network, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, enables users to mine coins using mobile phone app. The debate over whether Pi Network is a genuine initiative or a scam has been raised again by a crypto blogger who thinks the only people that make money from the network are the developers. Because mining it's risky and difficult, many people are left out. It is only lack of crypto education that is leaving people behind. Every time a pioneer mines, they receive an advert for which, presumably, the developers are paid. Pioneers do not have to invest cash to mine just a mobile phone time, but there are over 30 million of them, and that could be an attractive market for advertisers. The app started running ads in May 2020 to provide a source of financial support for the project. The team behind Pi Network says it is a genuine effort by a team of Stanford graduates to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrency. And there are plenty of crypto faithful who see it as an opportunity, and in many cases they have taken that opportunity to get involved in a cryptocurrency from the ground up and possibly profit sometime in the future. They do this, perhaps with one eye on some of the early Bitcoin adopters who have racked up gains from mining and holding the coin. However, others have likened Pi Crypto to a multi-level market. As of February, there are still no coins being traded, meaning no transactions and no fiat rewards. Now the mainnet has been launched. Pi Network insists this is the point where an exchange could list the coin. None have yet shown any sign of wishing to do so. Pi Network says it is now in phase 3 of its deployment plan, which marks the point where an exchange could list the coin. Pi will be able to be traded in phase 3 of the project. At that point, exchanges can choose to list Pi. Pi Network has continued to insist it is not running an initial coin offering or crowdfunding sale, and coins which can be mined in the ecosystem currently stay in the ecosystem. In its white paper, the organization states that in phase 3 only accounts validated to belong to distinct real individuals will be honored. This is the so-called Know Your Customer (KYC) process. This is the phase when Pi can be connected to exchanges and be exchanged for other currencies. Many pioneers are keen for this to happen, as they see little value in the coins they have mined if they can't sell them. Unlike nodes on networks such as Bitcoin that use proof-of-work protocols, Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. If you are wondering how to buy the Pi coin for your portfolio, you can't. Users who have mined the Pi cryptocurrency will only be able to withdraw or exchange their coins during the project's third phase when it moves to a decentralized blockchain. Pi cannot be transferred during the testing phase in order to prevent fake accounts from accumulating coins, according to the project's website. Wallet balances are expected to be honored when Pi shifts from the testnet to a mainnet, when the blockchain protocol comes out of development and is fully deployed. The price of Pi has yet to be established. As Phase 3 has now launched, holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys, and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi peer-to-peer marketplace. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. Early adopters are accumulating Pi crypto in anticipation that the price will rise sharply after Phase 3 goes live. Although the coin's mining rate has been reduced by halving, users can increase their mining rate by connecting with other active miners. New users can only join the Pi network if they have a referral code from another user. The project's developers also claim that security on the Pi network is enhanced by personal networks, encouraging users to bring in friends and family, which is prompting skepticism that it could be a multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. However, it is worth noting that users can only earn coins from their own direct networks and not from their connections networks. Some cryptocurrency observers have already started to make their Pi network value prediction. Let's take a look at what the Pi price could likely be when it does start trading. As with other digital coins at launch, the Pi cryptocurrency value is likely to start at a relatively low level against the US dollar and rise as usage grows. What do some of the price forecasters suggest? CoinMarketCap, an algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor, list a current value of $10 for Pi coin. In 2022 this year, Wallet Investor had a Pi cryptocurrency prediction of $20 with a downside at $25. However, according to the website, it is no longer updating its forecast. Pi Network price prediction calculated that the coin's price could rise from an average of $50 against the US dollar in 2022 and $70 by 2025. Over the longer term, it predicted the Pi price could average $100 by 2028. Depending on the number of cryptocurrency users and exchanges that adopt Pi, the bull case could see the coin's price launch at $5 and reach $10 a year later, according to Crypto Exchange. Over the longer term, the price could rise to $100 in 5 years' time. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, news on our channel, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. And never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for our next video. Thank you and see you in the next one. Well, cryptocurrencies is on a downtrend as traders and investors continue to keep a close look on the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Bitcoin now trading below $35,000. With the current decline on the cryptocurrency market, some altcoin actually hit their all-time high, and do you know what that tells us? Is that it's a similar narrative that we've seen since. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, have been sort of bought up by these larger investors. With that being said, the drawdown recently, which was fairly significant, almost 11% to 20% in less than 24 hours, there has been some recovery, so now Bitcoin is trading around $35,000. And Ethereum also has taken a higher hit. Other major cryptocurrencies that have probably been hit the hardest are Cardano and Dogecoin, which have each seen more than a 15% drawdown on the day. Some exchanges who have seen trading, and when the sell-off happened recently, they had sort of noted that there was increased selling in the crypto market. And as you know, big investors always buy the dip. We've seen from crypto investors is not really shaping up right now, so it does seem like prices could fall further once we see more developments on sort of the geopolitical situation that's happening right now between Russia and Ukraine is also affecting the crypto market. You also have to know that cryptocurrencies are more liquid than other types of assets. They trade 24/7, which means when something like this happens for any investor who holds multiple assets, the very first thing they do is to dump the market. This is because the markets never close, as opposed to something like stocks. So that's why we typically see cryptocurrencies leading a downtrend trend. Maybe those who looked at Bitcoin could have been able to predict exactly what was going on in the broader equities markets. As you also know that a lot have been happening on the crypto market since November 2021, so make sure you always do your research before investing on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency market is very volatile, so make sure you invest only what you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep you updated on the cryptocurrency space. Thank you. See you on the next one. Elon Musk talking about Pi Network. In early 2022, Elon Musk had the cryptocurrency market wrapped around his finger. A single tweet about Dogecoin by the Tesla and SpaceX founder sent prices soaring as much as 50%. Musk is far from the only individual who has moved the crypto market for no obvious reason other than to make an endorsement. A large chunk of the industry, from meme coins to NFT, has proved to be quite receptive to celebrity shilling. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Report. In today's video, we're going to talk about Elon Musk and his great impact on the crypto industry, and most importantly, we're going to talk about what we can learn from him. So, with that said, let's get started with the video. The ecosystem of cryptocurrencies is growing at such alarming rates that some huge organizations are allowing Bitcoin and all other coins to be used for purchases. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated that a Tesla can be purchased with Bitcoin, as well as other firms who accept Bitcoin and altcoins as payment, such as Microsoft and others. The Pi network will be used by Tesla as a payment network. Is this true? No such announcement has ever been made, but the potential is being discussed. I'll elaborate. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that he will no longer accept Bitcoin as a payment mechanism. The reason for this is that Bitcoin's mining process emits too much carbon, which is a source of pollution. Thus he stated that he would prefer a new cryptocurrency that has both environmentally friendly mining and quick payment speeds. Many people wonder what currency fits all of these requirements. For starters, mining coins consumes computer resources and produces a lot of carbon emissions, so coins that use this method are unlikely. Instead, people expect to be chosen among coins that use a minting method rather than mining. Currently, there are several coins that use the minting method, and among them is a Pi network. These are all characterized by having a consensus method called SCP, perhaps Tesla's cryptocurrency. The Pi network is still an unlisted coin, but a surprising record came out with a test settlement speed of less than 8 seconds, which is superior to other coins, so all of the conditions for Tesla presence are satisfied by the Pi network, which is why the Pi network is being discussed as Tesla's next payment method. Pi is not ready for exchange, listing will take at least this year, and the modified value of Pi is close to zero in any case. Currently it is illegal to accept or pay with Pi before it is monetized, so hopefully what you heard is not true. When Pi becomes a fully functional cryptocurrency, different companies can accept Pi for goods and services, so there is no definite fact yet. However, the conditions for obtaining Pi now are very simple, and the risk is low, so I recommend getting started right away. It has over 18 million active users and over 330,000 new users sign up every week on average. An active user is someone who has completed mining at least 3 times after signing up. I'm not sure how much it will cost, but I'm guessing at least $30 million. Since the Pi network is still in the testnet stage, no actual Pi transfers are possible. As a first step towards making this possible in the future, a test wallet was born. This wallet will be a real Pi wallet in the future. The number of active nodes built by testers has surpassed a stunning 12,000. This is more than the average number of active nodes in Bitcoin, which is around 9,500. Even though there is no reward for participation, it is seen to be astonishing that so many nodes are established. The Pi network made a detailed announcement on the current state of development and the Pi benefits. This was thought to be a pointless notification because it was already addressed in the white paper, but there is conjecture that it was issued in response to recent Tesla and Amazon occurrences. Simply said, it is still in the planning stages, but it indicates that they may be targeting the payment methods used by Tesla and Amazon. Let's take a look at the Pi network if you haven't before. Pi is a cryptocurrency developed by 2 Stanford PhDs and a Stanford MBA for everyday people to mine from their phones by helping secure the currency and inviting others to join the community to build Pi's trusted network. Pi's technology algorithm uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol coined by Stanford professor and the algorithm federated Byzantine Agreement decentralization and energy usage. The algorithm is low energy and relies on lightweight messages to reach a decision. The upcoming Section Pi consensus method is more lightweight and decentralized than Bitcoin's blockchains such as Neo and Ripple, which use Byzantine fault tolerance variations. There are 3 phases of the Pi network. Pi development plan is divided into 3 segments. Phase 1 includes design, distribution and trust graph bootstrapping. Phase 2 testnet covers deployment on the testnet, and Phase 3 mainnet covers deployment on the mainnet. Phase 1 of the trust graph bootstrap. In this phase, Pi acts as a faucet emulator, allowing for changes in user experience and behavior. The distribution of coins to users has been moved to the live network. In this time, Pi swaps are not possible. Net testing Pi is currently in its second phase. The node program is running on a testnet and utilizes the same graph as the mainnet on a test Pi coin to catch gaps in the testnet's misses. In Phase 1, the testnet runs alongside the Pi emulator, and the results from both systems are compared. When the findings from the testnet and emulator consistently match and the community is ready, the comparison allows Pi developers to present and execute fixes. After comprehensive testing of the node software on the testnet, the official mainnet of the Pi network will launch, with only accounts certified to belong to actual people. The faucet and emulator from Phase 1 will shut down, and the system will continue to run automatically indefinitely. Contributions to the protocol regarding future updates will be made by the Pi developer community and Pi's core team, and proposed by the committee. Just like any other blockchain's implementation and development will be dependent on nodes updating the mining software. At this stage, no central authority will control the currency, and it will be completely decentralized. In this phase, bogus users and duplicate user balances will be removed. Pi can now be connected to exchanges and exchanged for other currencies. In comparison to other cryptocurrencies, Pi is risks-free, energy-efficient, and simple to mine by ordinary people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to be notified when we upload new videos.
So what's taking Binance so long? Baby Doge has all the requirements, yes? A strong community. So what's the hold up? Well, your answers are here, in this video. Listing is not a problem for the favorite son of Dogecoin though. 3 new listings in past week alone and more to come, considering that it rose by 122.35% over the past month. That feels like a minor miracle in this bearish market. So with these new listings, is the price value going up? And also, why is Baby Doge more steady than other meme coins? And finally, is Baby Doge on Pocoin? Stay locked into this video to find out. Hi there, it's Sheriff Network and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. With that being said, let us go into today's video. Let's start things off with Binance. The new dog on the block was Baby Dogecoin, and it was seen scoring big already. With an increase in popularity, price, and token holders, the community believes that it deserves a spot on an exchange as significant as Binance. What is Binance really waiting for? Inspired by memes, an array of cryptocurrencies entered the market. Currently, the cryptoverse is home to numerous meme coins. However, a few of them stand out because of their community. The Baby Doge army has time and again proved their loyalty towards the asset. Now, the community was seen urging Binance to list the meme coin as the number of token holders hit a new all-time high. Earlier today, Baby Doge managed to amass a total of 1,350,235 holders. New record, hashtag Baby Doge reaches an astonishing 1,350,000 plus holders. Current holder count, 1,350,235. The top 1,000 BNB wallets are holding 937,093,164,981,443 hashtag Baby Doge. $3,961,045. With the number of Baby Doge token holders soaring every other day, the meme coin wasn't too far from hitting 2 million. Therefore, the community decided to bring this to Binance's notice. Binance has been running a hashtag BinanceCat versus hashtag BinanceDog competition on Twitter. Several people have been sharing pictures of their pets in light of the competition. Replying to one of the pictures, Baby Doge pointed out that it was the biggest dog on the Binance Smart Chain. The network tweeted, "Hey, at Binance would be great if we had some support as we are the biggest dog on BSC. 1.3 million plus holders. ETH has SHIB. BSC has Baby Doge." As the popularity of the asset is on an upward trajectory, more and more exchanges were listing the meme coin. Baby Doge recently managed to score a listing on the cryptocurrency exchange, BitGet. Also, it's among most viewed coins in North America. Looks like North America was curious about meme coins. According to CoinMarketCap, CMC, dog Elon Mars, was the highest viewed coin on CMC in the North American region. With a total of 67K views, the coin topped this list. Along with other prominent cryptocurrencies, Baby Dogecoin was also part of the list. So with the new listings, what would happen with the price value? Baby Dogecoin's price rests within a symmetrical triangle and awaits a short-term burst to the upside. The outlook was backed by a healthier, broader market, a potential crossover between the hourly 200 SMA and 20 SMA, and a recent listing on BitGet Global. Baby Dogecoin has seen 3 mini rallies last week. A 67% jump between 22 to 23 January, followed by a 23% and 19% surge between 24 to 26 January. Two sloping trend lines plotted along the resulting highs and lows created a symmetrical triangle pattern on the lesser timeframe. Theoretically, a breakout was possible in either direction, but bulls were heavily favored to win out the final consolidation stage. Their efforts were backed by an incoming crossover between the hourly 200 SMA, green, and hourly 20 SMA, red, and higher lows on the MACD. To lay the groundwork for an upward swing, Baby Doge would need to overcome sell pressure between 25 January's swing high of $0.80's 42.44 and the 61.8% Fibonacci level. A breakout on healthy buy volumes was necessary to mitigate chances of getting sucked into a bull trap below $0.80's 44.66. Swing highs set at $0.80's 46.40. And at the 78.6% Fibonacci would be natural targets. Meanwhile, bears would have the advantage if Baby Doge slips below $0.80's 37.85 support. The resulting move can swiftly turn unpleasant if losses stretch. In conclusion, Baby Dogecoin's breakout would create a perfect synergy with a weekend altcoin recovery as well, with bulls pushing Bitcoin above $37,000. On an individual level, the sentiment was expected to be favorable after Baby Doge bagged a listing on the crypto exchange platform BitGet Global. However, it's important to understand that sellers were still dominating Bitcoin on a larger scale, and a prolonged recovery was still a big question mark. Hence, it's unlikely that Baby Doge would extend its progress into a fresh week once the near-term targets are met. So is Baby Doge on PooCoin? Let's start with what PooCoin is. PooCoin is a blockchain application, DAPP, that shows price actions and trading charts for a multitude of crypto assets. However, PooCoin only works for tokens issued on the Binance Smart Chain tokens, BEP20. It tracks the prices of such tokens and provides a chart for traders to follow the price action of an asset. If Baby Doge is on PooCoin, then that would be good news for the community and traders. It means that traders will be able to carry out technical analysis of the asset. Technical analysis is important for trading any financial instrument. Is Baby Doge on PooCoin? Well, heading over to the PooCoin website and searching for Baby Doge in the search bar, you can find the asset. However, there are many copycat coins with clever names meant to trick you into buying the wrong coin. The name of the Baby Doge coin is Baby Doge Coin, with spacing, and the ticker is Baby Doge. Be cautious while purchasing to avoid getting scammed. In conclusion, Baby Doge is one of those coins that look ready for success. Their most recent development is the Baby Doge debit card program, which involves a wallet app. The app will allow you to spend your Baby Doge easily. You will be able to buy and sell crypto assets, and also send crypto. This will make Baby Doge get more demand. If you want to buy Baby Doge though, here are some simple steps. First, open a Binance account. Since the token is on the Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to open a Binance account to get started. While Baby Doge isn't listed on any centralized exchanges, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, Binance DEX. Second, download Trust Wallet or MetaMask. After receiving BNB tokens on Binance, you'll need to send them to a crypto wallet that can connect to PancakeSwap. The easiest crypto wallet to use with PancakeSwap is MetaMask, as it has a Google Chrome extension that makes it easy to interact with the exchange. Upon opening MetaMask for the first time, it'll be set to Ethereum mainnet as default. Since PancakeSwap is on the Binance Smart Chain network, you'll need to add this network to your MetaMask wallet. Finally, make your purchase. Once your wallet is set up, buying crypto on PancakeSwap is a relatively simple process. Go to PancakeSwap, finance and connect your wallet to the website. After your wallet is connected, go to exchange, and then you can buy Baby Doge by swapping your Binance tokens on the platform. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.
Google has joined forces with Shiba Inu coin. New billionaires will be created as a result of the Shiba Inu rally. Hi dear, it's Crypto Report. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more update on the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu is one of the newest cryptocurrencies to reach the market, and it has been dubbed the Dogecoin killer by some analysts. If it continues on its current path, the coin's value might double. But the real question is when the Shiba Inu will be worth $1. What is Google's relationship with Shiba? So today we're going to discuss about what Google just revealed about the Shiba and whether or not the SHIB will ever hit $1. So stay tuned till the finish of the video because today's video is going to be a bomb. Shiba Inu coin is your daily dose of Shiba Inu. This is the place to go if you're interested in everything Shiba has to offer you. If you want to stay up to speed on all Shiba Inu news and predictions, as well as stay one step ahead in the crypto world, subscribe. Make sure you click the like button so we can keep you updated on Shiba news. Let's have a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on February before we get to our issue. Shiba had a correction after a spectacular rally the previous week, and it was approaching the critical support level. Will the current level of resistance be maintained? The important support level is $0.000028. $0.000034 is a key resistance level. Shiba Inu soared more over 50% last week, reaching our critical resistance level of $0.000034. Since the price then dropped back to the support level of $0.000028 and is now consolidating above it. If positive momentum maintains on Monday and crucial support holds, Shin Inu might experience a new rise. Shiba Inu has a decent probability of going higher in the coming week as long as the price does not fall below the crucial support. Only the declining volume, which is affecting the bullish momentum, is a source of concern. Things could turn around in Shiba Inu favor at any time, but that appears to be unlikely right now. Let us now return to our original topic. Google's financial products and services policy, which includes its stance on cryptocurrency advertising, has been updated. The new regulations will go into force in August, and all previous crypto exchange certifications will be revoked. The license will be revoked. Advertisers must submit a request to Google for new cryptocurrency exchanges and wallet accreditation. Google issued a statement on its new crypto ad policy on Wednesday. The internet behemoth added, this policy will apply internationally to all accounts that advertise these financial items. Google's existing financial products and services policy will be updated in August to clarify the scope and standards to allow the advertisement of cryptocurrency-related companies and services, according to the notice. Advertisers supplying cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets targeting the United States may advertise those products and services beginning August 3 if they meet the following conditions and are certified by Google, the tech giant noted. If Ryoshi follows through on this statement, the Shiba Inu coin might see a significant increase in value. With the impending decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, comes a new Google legislation. Shiba Swap is a decentralized exchange that will contain 2 more coins created by the project. with the goal of using ShibaSwap as a hub for NFT exchanges between creators and the rest of the world, as well as a platform to help rescue Shiba Inu dogs all around the world. Adding Google advertising could be critical to Shiba Inu and ShibaSwap's success if done correctly. Google then went on to describe how advertising can get certified. To begin, they must register as a money services business with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network and as a money transmitter with at least one state. Advertisers could also be a federal or state-chartered bank institution. In addition, Google stated advertisers must comply with all applicable legal requirements, including state, local, and federal laws, as well as ensure their advertising and landing pages conform with all Google Ads standards, according to the company. The firm went on to say, meanwhile, Google confirmed that certain advertisements are not permitted. Ads for initial coin offerings, often known as ICOs, DeFi trading systems, or otherwise advertising the acquisition, sell, or exchange of cryptocurrencies or related products, according to the statement. Also prohibited are ad destinations that aggregate or compare issuers of cryptocurrencies or associated items. ICO pre-sales or public offerings, cryptocurrency loans, token liquidity pools, celebrity cryptocurrency endorsements, unhosted wallets, unregulated dApps, cryptocurrency trading signals, cryptocurrency investment advice. Aggregators or affiliate sites containing related content or broker reviews, unhosted wallets, unregulated dApps, cryptocurrency trading signals, cryptocurrency investment advice, aggregators or affiliate sites containing related content or broker reviews. Will Shiba Inu make it to 1 cent? The Shiba Inu breed is gaining popularity. Shiba's latest developments have boosted investors' confidence that the altcoin will reach the 1 cent mark. Shiba Inu's prediction is eagerly awaited by investors looking for the next big cryptocurrency opportunity. Both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are meme cryptocurrencies that trade for less than $1 and have received Musk's endorsement. Shiba Inu tokens have a market cap of roughly $10 billion, with $395 trillion in circulation. Dogecoin has a market capitalization of more over $30 billion, with 131 billion tokens in circulation. Shiba and Doge both have an infinite supply of tokens. Shiba Inu's Coinbase listing is also encouraging. Many institutions use Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States. Cryptocurrencies gain a lot of attention from investors and gain a lot of visibility. Cryptocurrencies frequently grow in value after being listed on the exchange, a phenomenon known as the Coinbase effect. Doge supporters want to see the altcoin achieve $1, while Shiba supporters want to see it touch 1 cent. At that point, a $1,000 investment would be worth more than $400,000. Shiba has increased by over 25 million % in the last year, with an average monthly gain of more than 2 million %. Shiba might reach 1 cent in early 2022 if it grows at a rate of 200% every month. You're really hoping to hit one coin now. You'd have to expend a lot more calories. You'd have to burn roughly 20 coins per year to make up the difference. 20% you'd have 4.5 trillion coins at the end of 21 years, based on the total coins you acquire each year. The cost is $0.022 US. Your $13,000 would be worth a total of $22 million. This is based on a 20% annual price rise. The market capitalization is $197 billion. The total number of Shiba Inu coins in circulation is approximately 394 trillion. The coin has an auto-burn feature that will burn the token and deduct it from the circulating supply. Shiba developer confirmed the auto-burn on Discord. We don't need more listings, we need usefulness and, according to many, a substantial burn, Kusama stated, confirming that the corporation is burning currencies. A self-burn function could assist enhance the value of each remaining Shiba coin by reducing the supply. Many people have made money trading Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu are no exception. The Shiba Inu team is working to extend the project in a way that will increase the altcoin's value in the future. Shiba Inu currently has 2 other tokens that should work well with it. There's also ShibaSwap, a cryptocurrency trading platform. As more traders join Shiba local exchange, the price of Shiba could rise. A Robinhood listing could also be beneficial to Shiba Inu. People have been urging Robinhood to follow Coinbase lead and add Shiba Inu. Given Robinhood's popularity, Shiba Inu could benefit from a listing there. That concludes today's discussion. We'd also like to point out that this is not a channel dedicated to providing financial advice, and that we do not encourage you to invest in any particular firm. This is simply a channel for delivering instructional content to your doorstep. With that in mind, we urge that you conduct extensive broad-spectrum study on the subject before investing in anything. We hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you own a Shiba, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Report, and in this video I'm going to tell you why should never underestimate Pi Network. If you have never heard of the Pi Network, it's a mobile app that allows you to mine cryptocurrency using your phone. The app is completely free, and it only takes about a second to mine Pi coins from your phone today. You can think of it as a more accessible version of Bitcoin because you don't have to buy expensive mining equipment and all you need is your phone. In this video, I want to ask a really important question. How does a Pi network make money? Although many people speculate on the value of a Pi coin, we still don't have a definitive answer as of right now, and the Pi users on the network will only be able to get their coins in 2022, so Pi will have to wait a long time for the coins to be formally delivered, but that means we'll have a lot more time to mine them. One thing to remember is that we can't mine any more coins, and once the coins are officially released, demand for Pi coins will be very high. This means that if demand increases, the price of Pi coins will also increase. You can think of this concept as getting your hands on a stock before the company goes public. I think this is pretty cool because the network wants to create a marketplace and also allow developers to create their own apps on the blockchain. This basically creates a decentralized economy on the internet that's not controlled by anyone. It also allows developers all freedom to use a blockchain and also buy coins for any sort of purposes, including building a stock market. Basically, one of the Pi Network's former founders sued the company for wrongful termination, but basically, he felt he was treated unfairly while he was there, regardless of whether or not this is true. The document also revealed a lot about the company's financials. SAFE agreements stand for Simple Agreement for Future Equity. They were created by a team at the White Company there and have become a fairly popular method for investing at the early stages of a company. In this case, investors gave the Pi over $500,000 for the chance to convert that money into equity in the later stages of the project. The reason they do this is because SAFE agreements reward these investors for taking on the risk of losing their money. Pi Network was already valued at around $20 million as early as February of 2020, when the network only had about 3.5 million members. More recently, the network now has over 25 million members as of August of 2021, which means that the Pi network has grown about 6 times since then. In this case, evaluation sure as of right now is that they raised about $800,000 through SAFE agreements, which has been one of the most effective ways the pandemic has raised money since its early stages. I also wouldn't be surprised if the company is issuing debt or equity, as I believe they are big enough now to issue debt or equity on a large scale, which would also reward allowed investors who decided to take on SAFE agreements with the company earlier on to some things. The Pi Network's founders also contributed a significant amount of money to the project earlier on. We know that about 100 million shares were issued and authorized using the issue price on the document. We can estimate that the founders contributed about $50,000 to the company. This was another way that the Pi network was able to stay alive in its early days. Companies need money, and sometimes the founders had to dig into their own personal pockets to keep the companies alive. For example, we can see from the document that the Pi network had a lot of cash issues back in those days. For example, Christina Rajit, a former Sony executive who now works for the Pioneer Work, wasn't paid for at least a year. I'm glad the Pi number was able to overcome this obstacle and survive as long as it did. In addition, they opened up additional revenue streams such as opening up ads on their platform. The Pi numbers began using ads on their platform. This may have been a way to resolve their cash issues at the time, but it could also be very lucrative for the company. Let's say they now earn about $1 for every hour they work. Just in the United States, we can see that the network went from about 18,000 users back in September 2020 to about 700,000 users in February, which would roughly translate to about 20,000 users in total. But think about how much the network makes in total just from ads right now. Since the Pi network is about much more than $1 per 1,000 impressions, this company could potentially generate about $1.2 million per month. This may seem like a lot of money, but keep in mind that the Pi network has an entire team dedicated to this project. We can see that there are a total of 8 members on the core team, plus they had to pay for contractors and maintain the server. Around 25% of the total Pi supply, and did this calculation in another video, but it basically figures out a reasonable supply for the Pi coins. In total there should be around 70 billion coins. A sense of developers who get around this would mean that they would take home about 15 billion coins, and since the price of a Pi coin does not run $1.58, they would have a total of $24 billion with the Pi coins. This would make the founding members instant billionaires through safe agreements and also funding the project themselves, which amounted to around $800,000 in May of 2020. They opened up ads on the platform and this helped him raise a lot of money, and today it's estimated to be around $300,000 every single month. But the real money maker of this project is when the coins are finally released, which will make the founders of this project instant billionaires. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates on our channel and also other Crypto C update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had a great day. See you guys next time with more Pi and other cryptocurrencies updates. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss about the Pi network price reveal 2022. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel for future updates on the cryptocurrency market. Let's get back to the video. Pi mining requires a vast amount of energy to solve mathematical problems in order for the algorithm to reach consensus, whereas mining is the process of contributing to a blockchain's consensus mechanism in order to secure its ledger. Pi mining necessitates the usage of a distributed trust graph, in which the security rings of each individual mobile miner combine to build a global trust graph that feeds the Pi blockchain's consensus mechanism to defend the Pi ledger. To protect the Pi ledger, Pi mining requires the use of a distributed trust graph. The security circles of each individual mobile miner will combine to form a global trust graph, which will feed the Pi blockchain's consensus mechanism. Each mobile miner contributes to the intersectionality, security, and practicality of the Pi blockchain's consensus method, just as POW miners provide energy to those blockchains. The value of a Pi coin can potentially rise rapidly as a result of don't miss Pi coins in a very decentralized manner. We live in the crypto age. The Pi network is also aiming to develop its own economy, and Pipeline is gaining popularity. Despite the fact that the coin now has no real value, the Pi network price is rising, with projections putting it as high as 65% before the mainnet launch. Users must click a mine button once every 24 hours to confirm they are human and active, and the program mines cryptocurrency on a daily basis. Fall between the ranges of $7 and $10. The Pi network, which is expected to have a price tag of between $10 and $25 at this point with the currency being widely distributed, is expected to have a fantastic year for cryptocurrencies in 2023. The predicted Pi network price in 2024 is a best guess figure that could range between $25 and $45. By this time, we should be approaching the 100 million user mark, and mining will have effectively ceased. If there is 1 year to watch for cryptocurrency excitement, it is 2025, when Bitcoin is expected to surpass the $1 million mark. The Pi network price is expected to reach new highs in 2025, and with some Pis, it is expected to reach new highs. It could easily reach the $50 to $100 range if customers start to lose their gadgets. To join the Pi network, all you need is a personal invitation, which you can get for free by clicking the link below. Once you've joined the network and started mining, you'll be able to invite friends and track the status of your security circle, which will become active after 3 days of continuous mining. All you have to do to join the Pi network is download the Pi network mining app to your mobile device, push the button once every 24 hours, and you're done. If you want to mine faster, simply use your invite code to add a big number of others. Pi network is a virtual currency challenge that tries to keep crypto mining alive because the underlying technology of currencies like Bitcoin has become unavailable to regular people due to the centralization of the underlying technology. The Pi network, which was created by a group of Stanford students, allows users to mine money using a mobile app by authenticating transactions on a distributed ledger. Phase 1 of the challenge began in 2019 on Pi Day, March 14th, with a free Pi mining app and branding based solely on variety. By June 2019, the community had grown to over 100,000 active users, and by the time Phase 2 began, the community had grown to over 400,000 active users. Published there were over 3 million in May 2020. The app began walking commercials to provide a source of funding for the challenge. In March 2021 the population surpassed 14 million. Having surpassed 12 million in February, cryptocurrency used by the Pi community and, like other cryptos such as Bitcoin, it is designed to be salved on a regular basis to protect its scarcity when a miner receives half as much money for processing new transactions as when a certain milestone is reached. Customers can volunteer to try out the Pi Not computer software program on their computer during the modern-day second stage of the challenge to halve until it reaches 0 at 1 billion customers. But when will Phase 3 begin? Will it be in 2021 or later? According to the developers, the start of the third section is no longer predetermined but rather depends on the progress accomplished within the second segment. Unlike nodes in the network like Bitcoin or Ethereum which use nodes, the start of the third section is no longer predetermined but rather depends on. Pi Knots adhere to a set of rules based entirely on the Stellar Consensus Protocol SCP. Pi Knots verify transactions on a distributed ledger and agree on the order in which the ledger records recent transactions under the Stellar Consensus methodology. Because transactions are best authenticated at the shared ledger if the reliant on the nodes accept them, SCP nodes construct 3 to 5 person safety circles or groups that are known to all of the network's clients. Spheres of safety establish a global consider community that prevents fraudulent transactions. In contrast to other virtual coins, the financial fee of the Pi coin begins at a relatively low level in proportion to the US dollar at the time of launch, and may climb as usage increases in 2021 to 2025. The long-run Pi expands or predicted to average $0.0319 by the year 2028, according to a rate forecast from 2021 to 2025. Coin costs would average 0.0107 to 0.0127 in 2022. Cryptography says by the end of 2021, when the platform Change Layer Pi debuts, the constructed scenario should see the price of Pi hit $1. Given that it has yet to begin, cryptocurrencies are incredibly volatile assets, and the Pi network is no exception. The project's designers assert that the network is safe, but others claim it is a pyramid scheme. Pi currencies can no longer be exchanged by investors. Alternatively, you might wait to buy the coin on an internet exchange if you expect the initiative to successfully produce an accessible cryptocurrency that does not price out everyday consumers. Always remember to do your own study and never invest in something where you can't afford to lose your hard-earned money. If the broader cryptocurrency market continues to thrive, the price of the coin could rise after it launches new ventures, but because the coin has not yet been released, it is difficult to predict its future. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button. What are the opinions of cryptocurrency gurus on the Pi network? The Pi network is a peculiar case in point. It has sparked a lot of interest and speculation, yet it is presently unavailable for purchase anywhere. The Pi coin has yet to be listed on any cryptocurrency or non-cryptocurrency exchange, and the only method to get it is to mine it, at least for the time being. Hi dear, it's Crypto Report. Kindly subscribe to this channel to get all the information you'll ever need about cryptocurrency. On this channel, we discuss all of the project's news and rumors about cryptocurrency so that you can make the best investment possible. In this video, we'll discuss what the gurus have to say about it. Mention something about the Pi network if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell symbol to be alerted whenever we release a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video, despite the fact that it doesn't have a price yet. There are a lot of people that support the Pi coin. The Pi network has a very large community and its user base continues to grow at an exponential pace on a daily basis. The main issue today is if the Pi coin will ever be listed on an exchange due to the project's simple premise and great technological foundation. The Pi Network project is one-of-a-kind venture that has gained notoriety despite the fact that it has yet to be included on any lists, and is also well known for being relatively simple to mine. A cryptocurrency known as PiCoin has been developed by its inventors to be the world's first cryptocurrency that can be mined. After 3 days of mining, you can become a contributor by inviting 3 to 5 others to join your trusted circle, which will increase not only your revenue but also the overall security of the Pi network. Each active miner you refer to the app will result in a 25 increase in your profits. After 3 days of mining, you can become a contributor by inviting 3 to 5 others to join your trusted circle, which will increase not only your revenue but also the overall security of the Pi network. Even better, unlike many other mining programs, the Pi software uses very little energy and is hence very ecologically friendly. It benefits from individuals vouching for one another since it helps to secure its ledger. The Pi network has matured into a comprehensive ecosystem of connected services and apps, unlike other mining programs. There is a beta version of the Pi wallet available for testing, with a phenomenal payment speed of under 8 seconds. The Pi browser software, which allows developers to test and deploy decentralized third-party Pi apps, is also available for download. Users can also become a Pi node, although this requires a lengthy selection process and presently does not give any benefits. When the open mainnet is launched in the currency, advantages to recompense Pi node owners when PiCoin is listed on exchanges, a percentage of transaction fees received by the Pi nodes will be deducted. Purchasing your own node may be a good move if you trust in the future of our project. Please bear in mind that a Pi node requires the use of power. For the first time, a single Pi account can be owned by a single person, and the Pi core team has been allotted a quarter of the total quantity of Pi coins. The project just launched a closed mainnet, which indicates that it will remain locked for the time being. To be able to purchase or trade Pi coins, one must first pass the Know Your Customer KYC verification process, which is chosen at random. The Pi network team plans to conduct a mass KYC verification in the near future, and it anticipates that its users will be finished by the end of March 2022. The practicality of the Pi network open mainnet, which is scheduled to be implemented in the near future, is of primary concern to Capital, and their projection is extremely positive. Among the reasons they feel the Pi currency is not a hoax or the ecosystem's development, they don't provide a specific Pi coin price prediction, instead stating that the value of the cryptocurrency will be strongly influenced by its popularity among investors, which is something that is impossible to predict at this point. This includes the Pi browser and Pi wallet, as well as the various activities organized by the project's management for the benefit of the community. Cryptocurrency.com does not offer any predictions on the price of the Pi coin, instead emphasizing how difficult it is to predict Pi's value. The creators have also failed to respond to all of their questions, including important ones like will user data be used for commercial benefit. They also warn users against putting too much faith in this coin. This not necessarily imply that the project is a fraud, but it is not the most convincing proof of a ruse. Given that Pi hasn't been listed anywhere yet, data-based prediction platforms such as TradingView are unable to make any specific price projections for the coin at this time. The strange thing about Wallet Investor is that it is the only source we've seen that has produced a realistic Pi coin price prediction as digital coin price, which predicts that the coin will reach $5 by the end of 2022 and $10 by the end of 2023 respectively. Other cryptocurrency professionals, given that Pi hasn't been listed anywhere yet, data-based prediction according to the website. These statistics haven't been updated since 2017, therefore a more exact assessment is needed. CoinMarketCap shows the same current value for the Pi currency, as well as the coin's current supply quantity, which shows that there are presently no Pi coins in circulation. The Pi network has a lot of potential, which makes it a fascinating project to follow. It is backed by a dedicated development team and has a strong technological foundation, all of which indicate that it is a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on. It won't hurt to mine Pi coins on the side if you have faith in the project not to disclose your data at the end of the day. All in all, it's completely free. It's possible that it will be accepted by Tesla and will go on to become the next media darling, bringing its owners millions of dollars. Only time will tell if this is true. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or contribution, please leave them in the comment section. See you in the next one. Shiba Inu coin has done it once more. We need to remember that the core competency of Shiba Inu coin is the Shiba Inu army, so if we start going in different directions that could be a bad thing, so we'll focus a little bit on that. As well, just to remind everyone that Shiba Inu coin is a massive coin at this point, and the Shiba Inu army, the decentralization of Shiba Inu, is perhaps the most important factor. So let's talk about what the developers are saying. They plan on taking on some to get first priority. You must own leash. If you're not familiar with Leash, it's a part of the Bone Leash and Shiba ecosystem that's currently out there, and owning Leash, they did not release any details on how much Leash you need to own, how long you need to own Leash. They simply stated that if you want to be part of the queue, you must own Leash now, whether or not you want to go out there and buy it. So you do want to have first. Now this gets a little interesting after that. I guess pre-sale to all of the Leash owners or certain Leash owners out there. You can go for the public sale and you'll still be. They did not indicate that owning land in the metaverse will offer you with various perks and benefits, so I guess pay attention and stay tuned for that. Nobody knows what they are at this time, and also nobody knows what these prizes are yet. The teams out there may know what these rewards are, but nobody in the public does, which is strange for a decentralized coin run by the community, because the community is always the last to know. But we have to remember that Shiba Inu coin was started as a singular coin. I mean, it's just Shiba Inu. We don't have any private sales planned, but we do have private tests and public tests coming up soon. Here's the thing to remember, they may be useful if they had a bone and a leash. This doggy doll may be useful, but it would need the purchase of a bone, a leash. People who already own bone, who already own leash, like that, these potential, I guess, first movers, or those who are pushing the project in that direction to require you to own bone and a stake. It appears to be pulling the money in many different directions now, diluting the Shiba Inu core competency here, which is the Shiba Inu army. It's nice to go out there and buy millions of Shiba, but all of a sudden I have to own leash, I have to own bone, own NTF, I have to stake it, I have to vote it. You see what? It doesn't seem like we're biting off more than we can chew with the Shiba Inu coin. I hope that we don't lose sight of our core competency, and that Shiba Inu coin continues to innovate and grow. Able to buy the Shiba Inu land in the metaverse during the public sale, and they never end. There will be an anti-dump mechanism put on leash, so if you're looking to sell your leash. Yes, Shiba Inu coin began as a meme coin, and it has amassed billions of dollars in valuation as a meme. It could continue to grow as a meme, but we can't lose sight of what matters most, which is the Shiba Inu army that is buying Shiba Inu coin and watching what Shiba Inu coin have for us in the nearest future. Leash is on the rise right now. It was around $100 per coin just a couple of hours ago, and it's already above $1,300 per coin on the news of it being required for the Shiba Inu metaverse now. And I don't know any of the dump requirements or things like that, but if you're waiting for the public sale, they didn't give you any time frames other than soon. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to keep you updated on the cryptocurrency market. See you on the next one. Hello dear, welcome back to Crypto Report, and in this video I'm going to tell you that Pi Network, or PiCoin, is a scam. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to this channel, as we will be bringing you update on the cryptocurrency market. Let's get back to the video. Pi Network is a mobile application where you can mine a cryptocurrency called Pi. All you have to do is log in every day and click a button. Most users hope that one day they can exchange their virtual coins for real money. And also you can recruit more users to the platform using your Pi Network invitation code. Inviting more people gives you more daily digital currency. No wonder so many people share their invitation codes online and social media. The more invites you get, the more Pi coin you have. The app also serves as the holder's wallet for the Pi coins. Take note, you can't register without a referral code. Aside from mining Pi every 24 hours, the Pi Network ecosystem has no other features because they claim the Pi has been mined before. Your application is not running any consensus algorithms or protocols, as we know that the Pi Network's coin value is 0 at the moment. However, people behind this project promised Pi holders that they can spend or exchange their Pi for fiat currency on the Pi marketplace. While Pi Network encourages developers to build apps on the platform, it does little for users. With enough supply and no use of Pi, the value of Pi will always be 0. You can't withdraw your Pi coins yet because they aren't traded on any exchanges. Pi Network mining is currently unprofitable. You can't sell the Pi coin or buy anything with it, or use it to pay for services. There is a risk that all your efforts and time invested in Pi today may be in vain. And also, I couldn't find any proof that the Pi coin, which members already mine, is a blockchain-based. Apart from KYC, Pi Network collects a lot of data about your phone. Data collection is absurd because mining Pi requires almost none of the above rights. Furthermore, the project clearly violates an important criterion of blockchain technology: anonymity. the amount of data collected by Pi Network can be very valuable to the project founders if they sell it to a third party. Pi Network's white paper provides no technical information and only describes their project's intentions. We have no idea if blockchain exists. Pi Network is still worthless due to the lack of clarity surrounding the project, but the founders have started making money by running ads on the app. I guess they are making a significant amount of money considering the amount of data they collected. So the project provides no value to you, instead, you provide value to them. This is another reason that the Pi Network is a scam. The project clearly emphasizes new member recruitment. This isn't how blockchain works. There's no proof it's on the blockchain because the developers aren't open about the project's technical details. For newbies to blockchain, crypto wallets don't show ads to their users. Neither KYC is required to use the app unless it's an exchange wallet. Having a KYC verified audience would increase advertising revenue. And also Pi is a worthless cryptocurrency designed to collect user data. Your data may be used for malicious purposes over which you have no control. If you don't care about your personal data and don't mind the time-consuming use of Pi Network, go for it. Consider how Pi Network uses you and other members to promote its platform for free. Even if you say you get Pi every day using the app, Pi still wins. The people behind this projected profit from your data. This project started sometimes in 2019, however, there wasn't any blockchain released yet. Pi Network's marketing emphasizes the academic credentials of its founders. But I was unable to find any successful blockchain projects created by these founders. It is clear that the app benefits the founders. They monetize your data through advertising, which is unusual for a purported blockchain project. Better invest in real cryptocurrency projects. You can create your account in Binance.com and find legitimate coins or tokens. It's not free, so invest only what you can afford to lose. And also I see so many questions from various people that, what is the potential that Pi Network can reach in the future and when will we be paid by those who mine this cryptocurrency? My justified answer is that this cryptocurrency will never be listed, and I mined it a year or two ago, but then I realized, I did some research and I came to the conclusion that only those who created it will win. Nowadays it is very easy to invest in crypto, but of course people are left behind by this revolution if they are not educated. Pi Network is trying to solve something, but it doesn't really solve anything. They try to bring an adoption, to create an accessibility to enter the crypto world without risking money. But how do you make money without risking money? And if you want to mine, you still need a pretty good computer with a good enough video card to mine and make some money. At the moment, the only ones who make money from Pi Network are the developers. Users, those who mine and enhance the application, receive nothing but Pi currency and hope that in the future it will be worth something. Beware of such projects, do some research and come to a conclusion. You better learn to invest and enter the crypto world because it's just the beginning. You still have time to enter, but the sooner the better. The app works like a direct selling or affiliate marketing system, promising future rewards to users for bringing in new users. Some users put in additional time and effort to attract new users. We find it similar to multi-level marketing since it includes direct selling and provides increased potential benefits to early users. Earlier users mine at an increased rate, however affiliate or direct selling are possibly better analogies. Founders are already benefiting from the app. They launched optional video ads at launch to monetize the active user base. The app also has a KYC process of collecting passport information. Having a verified audience through a KYC process would increase advertising revenues. They claim to have run a pilot in 2020 for people to exchange goods and services using Pi. Instead of running pilots, they could have listed their coin on an exchange as it has been done by companies like Electroneum. However, if you already have the app, you can wait to see if the founders actually build something of significant value. It is very sad to see people who have very high hopes to become millionaires overnight but ignore reality, knowledge and information between supply, demand and supply that occurs in the market. Many valuable coins today were once freely mineable, and this makes a lot of people to believe Pi and other free coins could also follow the same trend. Is it not right to take some risks? Please leave a comment down below. We are open to all viewpoints. I am still learning about crypto, and this is only an attempt to help people make informed decisions about their time. You should visit their homepage to learn as much as is required about it. It holds no value, so no, nobody is putting value in. Even then, all another delay means is a more robust blockchain, and more time to mine. This isn't going to make you rich overnight, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to be updated on our next video. Thank you for watching.
Is it possible for a Shiba Inu coin to ever reach 1 cent? Following the recent huge price increase in SHIB, several analysts have expressed their thoughts. Some experts believe it is impossible, while others believe it is feasible only if there is a huge blaze at Shiba Inu period. As a result, in this video, we'll talk about whether the Shiba Inu coin will ever achieve a value of 1 cent. We'll base our prediction on facts and technical analysis, so make sure you watch all the way to the end to avoid missing anything. Hi there, and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. With that being said, let's get to the video. Despite the fact that volume and sentiment for meme assets are increasing, most meme coins have been trading higher above their customary value. These currencies have generally been vulnerable to rapid and unforeseen pumps and dumps. Before trading, market players should be informed of this. Despite a recent fall in cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu coin, the meme-based cryptocurrency that has been labeled the Dogecoin killer, has not gone away. But can SHIB coin ever hit the 1 cent mark? Shiba Inu coin has enjoyed a lucky streak recently, avoiding a massive debt that has plagued other cryptocurrencies. But the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency still faces some challenges. SHIB coin's rise is primarily due to the community. According to David Xiao, CEO of crypto magazine Block Journal, therefore investors should bear that in mind while investing. SHIB coin is currently easier to acquire than Dogecoin, since it is accessible on Coinbase Pro, Binance, and Moreover. A movement to obtain Shiba Inu coin in Robinhood is underway, although it appears to be a grassroots effort. Where, above all, will SHIB coin be in 2022? With a market value of $9.4 billion, SHIB coin is trading for about 0.34 Satoshi units per coin, so there's still plenty of room for growth. SHIB coin is expected to achieve a value of 1 cent per coin in 2022, and then $1 per coin in 2025, according to current predictions. That would be a nearly 6,200% rise over the current value of the SHIB coin, which may sound like a decent investment opportunity. Is the SHIB token capable of reaching a value of 1 cent? To find out, keep watching this video. The concept for how SHIB coin may hit the 1 cent threshold, which has been a goal for Dogecoin advocates in 2020, has been disclosed. To reach 1 cent, SHIB coin would have to increase 12,000%. The coin has increased by nearly 2 million % since January, and if this trend continues, it may reach 1 penny or perhaps $1 by the end of 2021. If it increases at a rate of 20% each month, it will take 5 years to reach $1, which would put it in 2025 at the earliest. The Shiba Inu token gained over 30% in a single day on September 17 after trading in a narrow band owing to many favorable triggers, including its Coinbase listing. Many investors are wondering if Shiba Inu will ever reach 1 cent, given the recent blistering pace of gains in the token. Dogecoin was the original meme token. Another meme-inspired cryptocurrency that began as a joke is Shiba Inu. Based on Twitter dimensions, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu social media engagement is strong. Will this be sufficient to lift the token to new heights and bring it closer to 1 cent? One method to evaluate how much potential the token has is to look at price estimates from big crypto price predicting organizations, although these projections should be taken with a grain of salt. The projections are frequently dependent on the token's recent price movement, which causes the predictions to change. According to Robinhood, SHIB will gain about 130% in a year to reach 1 cent, and 680% in 5 years to achieve $1. The long-term price projection for SHIB is $1, implying rises of approximately 25 million % from present levels. The long-term estimate for the Shiba Inu's price potential is similarly positive, with increases of 33% by year's end and almost 300% by 2025, while all of the aforementioned businesses anticipate the Shiba Inu to rise higher. All of them anticipate that in the next 4 to 5 years, its price will be close to $1 or more. Moving on, if you'd want to assist the SHIB army grow stronger, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell below. since we're the most popular Shiba Inu channel, and we're devoted to providing you with the most up-to-date and accurate Shiba Inu information. Let's go on now that that's out of the way. Shiba Inu Coin and Cardano have some great news to share. Why do many crypto experts believe Shiba Inu will continue to surpass Cardano and keep its third-place ranking? Shiba Inu has surged from 51 to 15 in only a few days, and analysts predict the meme coin could soon be among the top 3 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. When SHIB millionaires sell their shares, the price of Shiba Inu has historically retraced, which is a major occurrence for such a little meme currency. Shiba Inu, the meme coin that became known as Dogecoin Killer, is now rated number 15 in terms of market valuation, according to CoinMarketCap, and number 13 according to CoinGecko. Satoshi Kusuma's burn policy technique has engendered a positive sentiment among traders. Satoshi, the project lead for the SHIB ecosystem, recently tweeted about the new burn legislation and what it means for Shiba Inus. Satoshi disclosed 2 burn projects in particular and hinted at others in this tweet. One such partnership was Now Payments with Shiba Inu, in which a percentage of each transaction was burnt. The second is 10,000 Shiboshis NFT. Thanks to our new partnership with NOWPayments.io, business owners can now get into the SHIB army by accepting SHIB through a number of payment ways. Do you have a Shopify store? Accepting SHIB is a good thing to start doing. Isn't a WooCommerce storefront a good idea? Start accepting SHIB regardless of whatever business you own, because it's been proven that when someone pays using the Now Payments gateway, a part of each transaction will be burnt automatically. Rumors are emerging in the cryptosphere that SHIB has the potential to get into the top 10, which is where things start to get interesting since its sky-high potential may push ADA or Cardano into the top 3. This, we feel, will take place soon. Shiba Inu's market capitalization is increasing every day. Shiba Inu's developers are working tirelessly to provide new products that will aid Shiba Inu in dethroning Cardano. Shiba Inu isn't only a Dogecoin assassin. Many SHIB army members want SHIB to murder Cardano as well. What are your thoughts on the subject? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. Let's see if we can solve this with some simple math. Shiba Inu now has a market capitalization of nearly $14.8 billion, bringing it on pace with Cardano following a 5-fold increase. Cardano has a $71 billion market capitalization. SHIB's market value has already quadrupled in only 10 days, and it's quite likely that SHIB will dethrone Cardano in the near future. So, let's have a look at some of the major upcoming Shiba Inu catalysts that might boost SHIB token prices in the coming year. We're all waiting for Robinhood to be included to major catalysts. Robinhood is under a lot of pressure to include Shiba Inu to its platform. Shiba Inu is no longer a token of insignificance. It is one among the top 15 cryptocurrencies in the world, with a rapidly increasing price and popularity. SHIB Army is pleading with Robinhood CEO Vlad to add Shiba Inu to the platform. What exactly is going on here? In recent days, the price of Shiba Inu money has skyrocketed. It was formerly the 13th most valued cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Its value has more than tripled in the previous week. As a result of its rapid development, there is a growing desire for it to be included in major cryptocurrency platforms. A change. Org petition pushing Robinhood to incorporate the virtual token in its cryptocurrency trading platform surpassed 200,000 signatures last night. The petition is still active, with 229,000 signatures already received. The next goal is to get 300,000 signatures. Further, during the Halloween season, a SHIB Army member tweeted and tagged Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tenev, requesting that SHIB be added to the platform. According to his tweet, he also added, Mr. CEO Vlad, there are 700,000 of us who would want to use your program. First, let's integrate SHIB to the Robinhood app. Do you have your SHIB in your hand? If that's the case, what are your price goals? Please let us know in the comments section. The total market capitalization of Shiba Inu is presently about $12.4 billion. That's it for now. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder. If investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside, is to buy from Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platforms is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar